All right, so today I'm gonna show you how to prep a good kale salad. And I know for some people, they may not care for kale because kale, it comes in a tough, rough texture. So as you can see right now, I'm trying to take the stems out of the kale so that we can just have straight kale. So I'm going through that process right now. That's the first process. And as you can see also, I already cut it up enough so that we can have bite-sized pieces that we can digest a lot easier. I went through the process also of washing it. Normally I take you through the full process, but I eliminated some of the process so that you can just catch up with me where I'm at right now. So again, I'm just taking some of the stems out at this time. And now what we're going to do, we're going to put some olive oil all over the kale. Now, if you don't have a spray bottle like I have, you can get some olive oil and you can just pour it over the kale, because what we're trying to do is soften the kale up. We want to make it tender, so that now we can consume it. And as you see, I'm going through the process of spraying the olive oil on it. And I am going to, once I completely get the olive oil all up in it, I'm going to start massaging it. You'll see here shortly as I start to massage it a little bit more. But this is a key component in the process of preparing a good kale salad. So as you can see, I'm massaging it. You want to massage it for like a minute or maybe 2 minutes. You cannot skip this part here. You cannot overlook this part here. But you have to make sure that you have the olive oil to add to it, so that now, as you can see, I'm going through the process of massaging. You can see it's getting a little bit more tender. You see the color changing a little bit in it. It's a little bit greener. So that's that first step in that first process. And if you need a little bit more in there, as I do right now, you see me spraying a little bit more in there because I want to make it a little bit more tender. I want it a little bit more softer so that I can digest and consume it a lot better. All right, so right here, we're going to add some lemon lime, some organic lemon lime. If you have some lemon, you can add lemon to it. If you have vinegar and you want to add vinegar to it, you can add vinegar to it. But I am adding the organic lemon lime to it. It just helps out in the process of lessening that acidity that can create, you can upset your stomach. So we want to make sure that we balance all that out. Okay. Right. So here we'll just continue our process of just massaging it. Just adding just trying to blend all the flavors into the kale so that we get that perfect taste. As you can see, I'm adding a little bit more of the lemon lime in there because I want to get it to the point where it tastes exactly the way I would like for it to taste. I want you to do the same thing as you add whatever you may add to it, whether it's the lemon lime, the lemon, or the vinegar. Always taste check so that you know that you're on the right path and creating that kale salad that you would love. Okay, and anyone else that may taste it would love. Okay, so right here we're just gonna add some pepper to it. So we gotta have some pepper, and we're just gonna add a little salt to it as well. I like the pink salt, so we're gonna add that to it just for the flavor. We want to make sure that we blend all this together, and we're gonna go through the process again of just massaging this kale. All right, and we just want to continue the process of just massaging it. See, you see how my hands is going through it now? We done got it to that point where it's all loosened up, and I see that I get to do a little taste check right here. And of course, it's at that point where we definitely can begin to eat some of it. Well, you can eat it from the beginning, but it just won't taste the same without you going through this process here. Okay? So I'm still kind of just searching for any stems. And of course, the little bit that I taste made me want to taste a little bit more. And I'm already at the point of approval right now. We have a couple more steps. And the next step here, we're going to go into our dressing. You can choose whatever type of dressing you would like to choose. Of course, we selected matter of fact, my wife selected this one. It's a vegan dressing, but it's one that she likes. It has more of a sweet, tangy taste to it. It gives you a different flavor from some of the salads. Well, I'll say some of the dressings that you would normally use. If it were me, I would probably just use the ginger dressing. I like it. Or I use the Judah dressing. I have a sister family here, they make their own dressing. And normally I would use that dressing to go on my kale. All right, so again, taste check. And as you can see, I give a thumbs up of approval. It's on point, it's ready. It's ready for the toppings right now because the kale itself is done. So at this point, I'm gonna pour it into another bowl that I'm gonna put a lid over. Because once you're done, you wanna let it sit for about 2 or 3 minutes. You won't, and see, it's not like any other salad that normally you let sit, it gets soggy, etc. No, kale is not like that. The longer you let it sit, it marinates a little bit longer. I mean, a lot of the flavors, it get more flavorful. So that's no problem in letting the kale kind of sit. And as you can see now, I'm adding the walnuts into it. And the part that you won't catch on this video, we did add some dry cranberry to it. So it's delicious, it's perfect, and I tell you, it's a joy to eat. And of course, it's a superfood.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. For books and other spiritual materials, visit www.noistore.com. See you next time.